Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist for forexfraud.com, and we're here looking at both the pound versus dollar and also the euro versus the dollar in here. Very different outlooks in here for these two currencies. And the pound in here is surging really from early January, and then we had that spike and rebound in here. And really most of this has been about Brexit developments, most of it to do with the fact that we're moving further away from a no-deal Brexit, further away from a potential general election, and those are the real downside threats for the pound. So we're moving closer to either a deal or potentially even second referendum. But those are seen as more positive to pound. Technically, we're taking out some important resistances back around this area here, around 128.5, but critically up through 129.28. And that shifted the intermediate term outlook to more bullish. And the market's surging through last week, particularly on Friday, got a really strong rally in here. Both the pound helping the upside, but also dollar weakness on Friday. We've got some broader dollar weakness come through. And that all leaves the risk on the intermediate term outlook very bullish in here. Risk up to the peak here at 132.19 and potentially a lot higher as we go through late January into early February. If we look at the euro now versus the dollar, very erratic. We had the spike higher at the beginning of the year in a very illiquid trading above 115, a head fake breakout from this kind of triangle, and then we had the next breakout here up to 115.70, again a head fake breakout. The market quickly then moving back within the range, and then on Thursday after the ECB meeting, a more dovish tone from Mario Draghi in here again, pushing the market lower down through this key 113.08 level and breaking at the bottom of the triangle in here, and that kind of neutralized the intermediate term outlook back to a range. And we see that range defined, the bottom of the range in here between 112.68 and 62, these three supports we have in here. The top of the range simply the high at 115.70. And then on Friday with that dollar weakness, the euro rebounding, euro versus dollar rebounding back above this resistance, and very much defined by this broader range now, and very erratic within that range. You can see right the way from November the market's been very erratic, really between 112 and 116, and we're looking for that erratic consolidation to continue through late January into early February. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist for forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.